Hi everybody. So this is theoretically now printing fictional tweets. Fictional meaning that I have no idea where exactly along that line each letter is. I just assign some random numbers. But it is scraping for tweets and it is sending it to this printer head, and it does move to the respective location. All I have to do now is mount a servo to it so that it can press down on the letters and then build the case.